What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to use Lendio for contractor payments. If your business hires freelancers or contractors, Lendio can help to streamline payments, and here's the steps that you need to follow. First, log into your Lendio account and then go to the payments or expense section. There you're going to select add contractor and then enter details. You're going to need to enter the full name or the business name, as well as taxpayer ID, and of course the payment method. Once that's done, upload the contractor's W-9 form for tax compliance. You're also going to need to choose the funding source, so loan proceeds or linked bank accounts or just business cards. Once that's done, you're going to enter the payment amount and then select frequency. It could be one-time payment, or you could have recurring bi-weekly or monthly. Next is to review payment summary. Make sure everything is accurate and then click send payments. You can track outgoing payments in the reports contractor payments section. Now at year end, Lendio can also generate 1099 forms for contractors that are paid through the platform. Keep contractor payments separated from payroll to avoid tax reporting issues. Lendio makes it easy by tagging them automatically as 1099 expenses. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, comment down below, let me know what you thought, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.